If you are a business using any cloud provider, you must be receiving lot of sales pitches from your existing and outside vendors about buying cloud services through them as a reseller instead of direct with the cloud provider. It might seem lucrative and nice at high level, but tread carefully and make this decision after taking following into the account, which we are going to discuss in this video. Top driving factor behind this decision should be cost optimization. If you are saving significant amount of money by going through this cloud reseller, then it makes sense. Saving couple of grands here and there doesn't really gel with it, and this penny pinching might hurt you. Also see if first you could negotiate with your cloud provider a better deal going direct. For example, with AWS, if your cloud bill is more than 1 million US dollar per year, then you are eligible for private pricing, which is always heavily discounted. If your cloud bill is less than $1 million US and reseller is offering you good bundle discount, then going with the reseller makes sense. Price shouldn't be the only factor. What other value added services your cloud provider is throwing in for free, you need to know. That could include complimentary technical support, free monitoring software, free health checks of your cloud, free training for your in-house staff, etc. If you are going with a reseller, make sure you are leveraging it full. Also see if there is any big technical pain point in your organization where this reseller could help. That's a good reason to go with the reseller, provided you're also getting cost benefits with extras. Sometimes it makes sense to get cloud services from an existing vendor to club everything together in one invoice to simplify and consolidate billing. But this shouldn't be the only reason. Even if you decide to go with reseller, make sure you maintain direct nexus with your cloud provider. Never let go of direct technical and account support from your cloud provider. Maintain and keep control of your own cloud because at the end of the day, you are paying for it and you are responsible for it. Thanks for listening. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.